So hello guys, in today's video we will learn about the inheritance, basic inheritance. So how we can inherit the property from different class to different class. So if you know about inheritance, so the property that is present inside the parent class will be inherited by child class. So what does it mean? So suppose there is a parent, right? Parent which is user. Now user has some name. Now what I want is I want to create another class. Okay, another class which is a engineer. Right. Now engineer is also a user. It has some name and it has some row. So we can inherit that name from parent class. Okay, we can inherit this property from parent class and we can implement that rule inside that class. Now let's see how we can actually perform this. So there is a user. Okay, there is a user and there is a constructor, and constructor will take one thing which is called as name, and this dot name equals to name. So this is parent class. Now I want to create a child class. For creating a child class, we are using this class, and this is engineer. And for that, we are using extend keyword here. And we have to extend what? We have to extend the parent. Now, inside this constructor, there is a inside it there is a constructor which takes some role. And what I want is this dot role is equals to role. And if I want to inherit some property for parent, for that we are using that super keyword. And in super keyword, we are passing whatever we take. So suppose I take the name here, I will pass name inside super keyword. Now let's create an object const eng, which is equals to new engineer. Okay, new engineer, and it will take AJ and developer. Okay, and I will log eng dot name and eng dot. You will see I got AJ and developer, and this is all about basic inheritance. So super keyword is used to inherit the property from parent. So we will inherit the name property from parent. So this is how we can use it. So this is all about basic classes. Let's learn about the property or sorry, prototype. So what is prototype? So if you see here, let ARR. Okay, let ARR. So okay, we will learn about this in another lecture. Thank you guys.